Alright, so once you've started placing enemies in your game, or places where your character can be injured, you may want to start adding some places where they can also get healed. Again, as the judges play your game, you might want to give them a place where they can kind of regain some points and be able to keep playing. If the game is too difficult and they keep dying, they're going to get frustrated. So you can do that pretty easily with the heart object. Before we do that, I keep playing the first part of this world and kind of having to drive all the way around here to get to where my level starts to get interesting. So as you're testing your world, you can just move your main character to the place you want to test and save yourself some time as you're testing. So I'm going to start right here, and I will rotate him a little bit so he's facing the path. And now I'm ready to start testing. So I want to put a heart on the map, and I'll put it out here a little ways after I've passed some of the challenging parts. So let's actually put it down here on the ground. So I actually have to jump off of the road to get to the heart. And I can just click on the ground. It's one of the objects, and it's the heart. And as you're playing this world, it might be really easy to actually miss that or not see it. So I'm going to change the size, make it a little bit larger, so it's easier to see. And I will also program it to glow. I like the glow. It makes it a little bit easier to see things in the game. So let's make it a red glow. Alright, and again, that's all I'm going to do for the heart. I'm not going to program it to give health or anything like that. I'm going to do all those programs on my main character. That makes it a lot easier to change later. If I've got multiple hearts or coins or objects on the map, keeping the programming as simple as possible on the objects and doing most of the programming on your character should make it a little bit easier to fix. So I'm just going to add another line. I'm going to do bump again. When I bump into the heart, which is way up here, more and more, I want to get some health. So that's going to be under combat and heal. I want to tell it, who do I want to heal? Me, cycle, or it, the heart. I want to heal me, cycle. I'm on cycles program, so that's the me. And then I want to tell it how many hit points I want to heal. I'm going to try a lot. Let's try a 50. So it should heal me 50 points. Now if I leave this like this, the heart's going to stay there and I can keep bumping into it and keep getting points. So to fix that, we're going to copy and paste. And when I bump the heart on this next line, I want to vanish. You could boom, you could try something else. Let's try the boom so it explodes. And if I leave this as me, I'm cycle going to explode. So I want to vanish or boom it. That means the heart. So let's go ahead and give that a shot and see how it works. So I can race out here, and I put some evil fish on my game. Let's see if we can get some of them to start chasing me here. There he goes. So he's going to start chasing me. If I fell off of this, that other one should probably start chasing me if I get close to him. And they're programmed to hurt me. They're not really going to hurt me that much, so let's let my health get down a little bit here. So he's attacking me, and as I get away from him, you can see my health definitely went down. When I go on the lava, my health goes down a little bit. So I'm definitely going to need some health over here. And I put my heart over there, so it is kind of hidden. That's good. Something like that might be a secret that you don't want everyone to see right away. And you can see my health went up. Kind of going back down now. I'm going to have to get out here on the lava a little bit. Try to avoid the fish and stay on the path. That's not good. See if I can get away from those guys. And hopefully I'd have a star or something at the end so I could win and not just keep getting attacked by the fish. So that's kind of the basics of using a heart to heal. It doesn't have to be a heart. You could have a magic rock do the healing. You could have a tree do the healing. You could have another character do the healing. So if you wanted to add a character, like a helper character, you could have a character on the map that when you bumped into the character, it could give you some health. Lots of different things that you could do to get this done in your game.